Practice for Spiral Exam 3, number 7 and 8. Number 7 asks, what is the solution to the linear system at the right? Remember, a solution to a linear system is the point xy where the lines cross, if they do. So you just need to look at this graph and notice that the point is at the x value or above the x value of -2 and across from the y value of +2. So that point has the coordinates -2, 2, and that's the solution. On number 8, we're solving the system. And so these two would be best solved using substitution. You could use elimination if you want, but I notice that in number 8, in the first one, my first equation is in the form x equals that amount. So I'm going to take that and plug it into my second equation for x. So I will have -7 times -2y plus 6 plus 3y equals -8. So I have substituted that value in, and now I'm just going to distribute my -7. I'm going to combine my terms on the left, so I get 17y minus 42 equals -8. I'm going to add my 42 to both sides. So 17y will equal 50. And I was pausing for a moment because I was realizing my numbers were not right, and you probably saw my mistake, but I did not get my negative down. So a -8 plus 42 actually is 34. So we'll divide both sides now by 17, and y equals 2. Now I need to find out what x is, so I'm going to plug this into that first equation. So x equals -2 times 2 plus 6. X equals -4 plus 6, or 2. So these cross at the point 2, 2. Now let's look at the next system and solve it. So again, it's set up for substitution. So I'm going to take what y equals and plug it in for y in my first equation. So I'm going to move over here so I've got some space. So 16x minus 8 times, and now I am substituting in what y equals, and then I'm going to finish the equation. I'll distribute my -8 and get positive 32x minus 48 equals 24. And then just combine my like terms. So 48x minus 48 equals 24. And then I'm going to add 48 to both sides. So 48x equals 72. I'll divide both sides by 4. And x equals by 48, 1.5, or 3/2. And you can just leave it as a decimal. Now we're going to take what x equals and plug it in to one of our original equations. The second one will be easiest. So y equals -4 times 1.5 plus 6. Now -4 times 1.5 is -6. -6 plus 6 is 0. So the solution to this system is the point 1.50.